How to add money from Revolut to Binance. So in this video, I'll show you how to add money from Revolut to Binance. So after you open the Binance app like this, now go ahead and under the home, go to this more button. After you come to the more, scroll to down, go to withdraw fiat, this one. From this option, go ahead and choose deposit. From this option, go ahead and tap on this option to select the currency. So go and choose the currency you want to deposit from the Revolut. So go ahead and choose USD or GBP. After you choose the currency, the USD, so from there tap on this option. After you select this one, now tap on the continue button. It will give you list of banks that you can go ahead now and deposit money from it. So after you select the Revolut from the list, now you can go ahead and fill in your information for the Revolut. After that, it will ask you now to type in the amount you want to deposit. After it gives you the amount that you want to deposit, from there it will ask you to confirm verification from your Revolut account and the Binance app. After you confirm the verification, from there the money will be sent into your Binance account. That's it, guys. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe.